Hi, myself Professor Jitendra Engde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Navgar Binder East. Subject English, topic is conjunction. Course outcomes. After watching this video, student will achieve the following learning outcomes from this topic. Number 1, student formulate grammatically correct sentences. Student able to identify conjunctions to connect the phrases and clauses in specified sentences. Student can apply relevant conjunctions to use idiomatic language for the given situation. These are the learning outcomes we will achieve after completion of this topic. Conjunctions. So students, what is conjunctions? Conjunctions are the word that join two words, two phrases, two clauses. Means it is using for joining the two sentences or two clauses. Either both are main clause, either one main clause, another one is subordinate clause. There are different types of clauses. Number 1, coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are used to join two or more word, phrases and two main or independent clauses of equal rank. The common coordinating conjunctions are and, or, but, nor, therefore, yet, etc. Means coordinating conjunctions are using to join the same level or equal rank clauses or phrases, and the word like and, or, but, nor, therefore, yet, etc. are using for joining the sentences or clauses or phrases. For example, he is poor but he is an honest person. Here are the two clauses. He is poor and he is an honest person. These are the clauses are using to join by the word, that is conjunction by but. In this sentence, but is a joining word which join two phrases or two clauses. He is poor and he is an honest person. Means but is the conjunction which is used for joining two sentences or clauses. Another example, my friend enjoys poetry and fictions as well. In this example, my friend enjoys poetry and fiction as well. These two clauses are joined by and. My friend enjoy poetry, one clause, and another one is fiction as well. These two sentences or two phrases or two clauses joining by the conjunction and. Number 2, my father invited them but they didn't come. My father invited them is a one clause or one phrase. Second one, they didn't come. These are the both equal rank conjunctions, equal rank sentences or clauses joining by the word, that is conjunction but. I know you must be tired, so I will let you rest. In this sentence, I know you must be tired, one clause, and another sentence is I will let you rest. These two clauses are joined by the word so. That is, so is a conjunction which is used to join two sentences. Next example, we must work hard or face the failure. We must work hard is one clause and another one is face the failure. These two sentences or two clauses are joining by the word or. Means or is a coordinating conjunctions are used in this example for joining two clauses. I felt lonely, therefore I went to play cricket with my friends. I felt lonely, one sentence. Another one is I went to play cricket with my friend. These two sentences or two clauses are joining by the word therefore. Means therefore is a conjunction which is used in this sentence for joining two clauses. Next, Christmas was only a few days away, yet it didn't seem like Christmas. In this example, Christmas was only a few days away. This one is one clause or one phrase. Another one is, it didn't seem like Christmas. These two sentences are joining by the word yet. Means yet is a coordinating conjunction, is used in this example for joining two sentences or two clauses. Next, subordinating conjunctions. They are used to join one main clause and one or more subordinate clause. They are introduced a dependent clause and describe the relationship between dependent, that is subordinate clause, and independent, that is main clause in the sentence. The common subordinating conjunctions are as follow: unless, after, till, since, if, before, than, that, though, although, when, while, because, as soon as, until, etc. These are the subordinate clause. These subordinate conjunctions. Subordinate conjunctions are using to join one main clause and another one is subordinate clause. Means one in dependent clause and another one is independent clause. For joining these two sentences, we use subordinating conjunctions. For example, if you pay the bill, I will be very happy. In this example, if you pay the bill, I will be very happy. Means you pay the bill, I will be very happy. There are two clauses used in this sentence. So these sentences are joined by the conjunction if. If is a subordinate conjunction which is introduced the subordinate clause. You pay the bill. Okay. Means you pay the bill, I am very happy. Okay. Another example of subordinate conjunctions. I won't pay unless you provide the good immediately. I won't pay, one clause, and dependent clause, you provide the good immediately. These two clause, one is independent and one is dependent clause, joining by the word unless. Next example, he will see me till it come very near. He will not see me. One clause is there, and another one, it comes very near. These two clauses joined by the word till. Till is a subordinate conjunction which is joined or used for joining two sentences. He had been in a grumpy mood since he got up. He had been in a grumpy mood. One clause is there, or independent clause is there. He got up. Subordinate clause, that is dependent clause. By joining these two clauses, we use subordinate conjunction since. So since is a subordinate conjunction. If you come late, I will push you. You come late, I will punish you. Okay. You come late, I will punish you. These two clauses are joining by the word if. If is a subordinate conjunction which is used to join main clause and subordinate clause. Next example, let's go to cure last time before we leave. Means in this example also the two clauses are joining by the word before. Means before is a subordinate conjunction. We should not spend more than we earn. We should not spend more. One clause is there, and we earn, another clause is there. By joining these clauses by using the word than. Means than is a subordinate conjunction. I think that I know who sang this song. I think, one clause is there. I know who sang this song. Another one clause is there. Joining these two clauses by the word that. Means that is a subordinate conjunctions. She spoke quietly because she didn't want Ramesh to hear. She spoke quietly. One clause is there, main clause is there, and subordinate clause, she didn't want Ramesh to hear. By joining these two clauses, word because is used. Means because is a subordinate clause used for joining two clauses or two sentences. As soon as I hear any news, I will call you. I hear any news, I will call you. These two sentences or clauses joining by the word as soon as is a subordinate conjunction is used in the sentences. I definitely meet him whenever I go to Paris. I definitely meet him, one clause is there, and when I go to Paris, another clause is there. By joining two clauses, we use whenever. Now, whenever is a subordinate conjunction for joining two clauses or two sentences. Next example, companies are training their employee so that they can use their talent efficiently. In this example, companies are training their employee, one clause is there, and they can use their talent efficiently, subordinate clause is there. By joining these two clauses, we use so that. Word so that is a subordinate conjunction. Harry is the best friend of mine, though we don't see each other very often. In this example, Harry is the best friend of mine, one clause is there, and we don't see each other very often, another one clause is there. By joining these two clauses, we use though. Though is a subordinate conjunction. Though he is a millionaire, he lives in a very small flat. He is a millionaire, one clause is there, and he lives in a very small flat, another clause is there. By joining these two clauses, we use though. Though is a conjunction. No one left the room until the talk end. The talk end and no one left the room. There are two different clauses are joined by the word until. Means until is a joining word. Until is a conjunction used in this sentence to joining the two sentence or two clauses. Although he is very famous, till he is humble. He is very famous is first sentence, and he is very humble, other sentence. Joining these two sentence or joining these two sentence, we use till. Now, till is a conjunction used to join two sentences. When you are in London, write an email to me. You are in London, one sentence, write email to me, other sentence. Joining these two sentence, we use when. When is a conjunction used in this sentence. Next, correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions are used in a pair to connect the two word, phrases, clauses that carries an equal importance in the sentence. Means for giving the equal value, equal importance of both clauses, both sentence, correlative conjunctions are used in the sentence to joining two different clauses of equal value, of equal importance. For example, these are the following correlative conjunctions are there: either or, neither nor, not only but also, as soon as, rather than, both and, if, then, whether or, etc. These are the, and many more are also there. These are the correlative conjunctions are used in the sentence to joining two equal rank or two equal importance sentences or clauses. For example, number 1, you should go either by bus or by train. In this sentence, you should go by bus or by train means For joining these two equal rank or equal value, equal important sentence, we use either or, either by bus, either by train. Okay. Number, either the police officer nor the military person were present there. In this example, neither nor is used. Neither police officers nor military persons were present there. Means the same, not police officer present there, not military person was present there. The same equal important. Next, the car is not only economical but also easy to drive. In this sentence, not only but also is used to joining two clauses. Meaning not only but also is a correlative conjunctions is used to joining two sentences or two clauses. Next sentence, if you promise, then I will come. If, then. These are the conjunctions are used in the sentence to join two clauses. You promise, I will come. Means if you promise, then I will come. She is free to decide whether to play or not. In this example, she is free to decide to play or not. Means play or not to play, etc. Means joining these two clauses, we use whether or, means whether to play or not play, etc. Means these are the conjunctions we have studied in this chapter, in this topic. There are subordinate conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions, which is used at their right place to joining the sentences or clauses. Means both are the main clause, either first one is main clause, another one is subordinate clause. They are using either one main clause or more than one subordinate clauses. Different conjunctions are used at the different places to joining the sentences and make grammar fluently. So student, I hope you studied or learned this topic very well and you will use the conjunctions in your grammar very nicely. Thank you.